Well, behold the Chloraseptic sore throat spray. So this is a sugar-free, cherry flavored, 6-ounce, #1, the Pharmacist Recommended brand for sore throat medicine. And this is great because it is alcohol-free, and it is aspirin-free, and it works immediately. You don't have to wait for it to kick in or anything. It is one of those awesome medications that relieve you from pain right away. I definitely use this more during cold season. As you can see, it's pretty full because thank goodness I only get colds once in a while, and they're mostly in the winter time. I always catch colds. I'm that person that if you're at work and you have a cold, you'll give it to me. Like, I will get that cold. I am so susceptible to these things. And I get that sore throat, and the first thing I want to do is just numb it out with this. And it definitely does that. It numbs it so I can't feel the pain. So this is really a blessing. Basically all you do is you pop the cap off here and you press down and you just spray it into your mouth. As you can see, it's one of those push down ones. I don't want to spray it everywhere, so I'm going to just show you in that way. That's all you do. You aim it down your throat. Don't aim it at your tongue. That kind of defeats the purpose. You're gonna want to aim it right like down your throat as like deep as possible, so that you get that area that's inflamed or in pain. There's no point in just having a numb tongue. That won't target, your pain. Now, this isn't going to cure your sore throat, but it will definitely help with the irritation and just help you get through it. And it does have relieving properties for your pain. It does smell like cough syrup. I am one of those weird people who doesn't mind the taste of cough syrup because it's sweet, and I like sweet things. And as far as medicine goes, sweet doesn't come with medicine very often. The active ingredient is fennel. It is gluten-free. It's basically what they call an oral anesthetic, so it really numbs everything, like a lozenge. It also helps with my coughing, so it relieves that irritation. And when you're coughing a lot, even if you're not in a lot of pain, it kind of numbs the need to cough. And it comes in this clear plastic bottle. It's kind of cool shaped, and the sprayer here is white. And make sure you're aiming it really well. Don't get it on the side of your mouth. That's not going to do you any good. And you only need one spray. That's all you need. You just spray it once and it works. You don't need to spray it 3 times to get an effect. And you always drink and eat food first before you do this, because if you drink tea or whatever you're having during when you're sick, noodles, then it will just kind of wash it away. So to be effective and to make it last longer, always eat first. Plus, you'll be able to taste your food better, and then use this. That even goes for water. So drink your water first. Take all your other flu or cold pills first, and then take this. And use it about every 2 hours. That's what they claim is the best. And that's what I do, and it works fine. My boyfriend uses it as well. In fact, he's the one who actually bought it in the first place, but it's a good family sized one as well, as you can see. Kids can use it, but only under adult supervision, and I would definitely check with a doctor. Please don't give this to a baby, and keep this in the medicine cabinet. I personally love cherry. I love the flavor cherry. My boyfriend bought this for me when I was sick, and so we've had it ever since. I haven't gotten sick in a while, and there's a lot left. It lasts a very long time because you only use one spray here and there, Chloraseptic also makes lozenges with a similar effect, so if you don't like the spray, you can always try lozenges as well. And they're like cough drops, but they have that anesthetic effect. Chloraseptic has been around for over 55 years, and if you're sick or you have a sore throat, you should definitely definitely go check this product out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you don't get sick, but if you do, this is for you.